In the year 2024, astronomers picked up a mysterious signal from space that defied every physical model they had. In a fraction of a single second, this event released more energy than our own sun produces over several entire years. Then, as quickly as it appeared, the signal vanished, leaving no thermal residue or physical debris behind for telescopes to analyze. Events with this much power usually leave a lasting footprint. Instead, we have a cosmic mystery where the culprit disappeared before the first data points could even be recorded. Scientists monitor the sky with massive radio telescope dishes, capturing energy ripples that bypass the human eye. The vast majority of the data these arrays sweep up is routine. The slow decay of a dying star or the steady rotation of a pulsar creates predictable, steady patterns. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, break those patterns. These are violently erratic pulses that last only milliseconds. If that tiny dot represents the total energy output of our sun, an FRB is like a flashlight capable of outshining an entire spiral galaxy for a fraction of a second. Generating that much luminosity requires extreme physical violence. Yet when arrays pivot to look at the source, the space remains empty. These empty patches of sky are located across void spaces that stretch billions of light years from Earth. Initial theories assumed that whatever caused an FRB destroyed itself in the process, a star collapsing and then going dark forever. This timeline chart shows the moment that theory changed. Researchers discovered a cluster of spikes firing repeatedly from the exact same coordinates. Tracing their arrival times allowed astronomers to lock onto a specific host galaxy in the deep cosmos. A star can only explode once. This repeating energy signature points to a functioning mechanism rather than a single cataclysmic event. Magnetars are the prime suspects. These are dense neutron stars with magnetic fields powerful enough to warp the atomic structure of surrounding matter. Other researchers look at the high energy volume and point toward the gravity wells of black holes, which can tear apart gas and dust to create fierce, concentrated pulses. The precision of these repeating pulses naturally invites speculation about artificial transmitters or alien intelligence, though there is currently no hard evidence to support this. The main frustration is that the physics of one burst often contradict the next. A model that explains a magnetar signal fails to account for the frequency of the very next detection. Until a telescope captures a source in the act of firing, the actual mechanics of these signals remain unproven. To understand the implications, we have to follow the signal's journey toward our detectors. Because radio waves travel at the speed of light, crossing a distance of billions of light years requires billions of years of travel time. The event that produced the 2024 signal occurred long before human beings, or the Earth itself, existed. This detection is a profound cold case. We are seeing the echoes of violence that ripped across the universe shortly after its birth. Back on the surface of the Earth, the perspective changes. The 2024 signal is part of a continuous barrage. Every single night, thousands of these ancient, powerful signals wash silently over our atmosphere. While our arrays will eventually trace some of these pulses to dead stars or black holes, many will remain mysteries for decades. Right now, an invisible ripple of energy that originated billions of years ago is passing unnoticed through the room where you are sitting. Are fast radio bursts the normal mechanics of a chaotic universe, or something beyond our imagination? Comment your theory below and subscribe for more real science mysteries.